Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to finish this kind of bracelet for a Hiilos clasp. I use 2 beaded strands and a ball chain, and I will show you how to finish the beaded strand and how to put them in the tube. So what I did was really easy. I use actually a cream tube and a little seed bead. So the cream tube is a 2 mm tube. And then I have a 11-aught seed bead here that I used in my design. And then a cream cover, that's a 3 mm cream cover that will cover the cream tube. So I finished my bracelet here, and I'm going to add my cream tube and 1 seed bead. Then I'm going to go through the cream tube . And then what I want is that seed bead to be on top of it. And it's the seed beads that's gonna help to bring this strand in the tube. So I'm gonna crimp that using my crimp tool. And then I want to, and then I need to cut the strand. And I'm gonna put my cream cover. Now I just have to slide everything in that tube. So the tube is pretty tight, but you can always open that. You can always make that bigger. I use a knife. You can use, I use my knife because it's pointy and it's thin, so be careful to don't hurt yourself. And I just open very carefully. And what you can do then is to use some flat nose pliers, and then you can open this way. So the reason why I didn't use the flat nose pliers right away is because I find that I damage my tube and deform the tube a little. So I thought it was much easier to use a sharp knife first because it goes inside evenly, and then use the flat nose pliers. So now I just need to slide everything inside. The ball chain is very easy. And then the last strand. I'm going to bring this on the other side because it's easier for me. Make sure that all the strands are inside, and then you can push it down this little cap, and I like to push a little more. Make sure it's really closed. Then to make sure, because you open the gap here, just very gently just press the tube to make it tighter. Then you can just grab your clasp, slide on one side, and then slide it on the other side, and it's ready to wear. Like that, I have a 3-strand. Now the beauty of those Hiilos clasps is that you can mix and match your bracelet. So let me show you how you can use them. I have here a medium clasp, and I have here a peyote stitch band. And let's see it together. And I'm adding this here. Oops, like that, and like that. And then you have another type of bracelet, another design.